Hi everybody, welcome back. This is our introductory lecture on database management system. In this video, we are going to cover database management system, their definitions and some examples. We will also cover the metadata data dictionaries. Let's see one by one. So what is database? Database is a shared collection of logically interrelated data along with the description of those data. And this description is called metadata or data dictionary. Shared collection means it is used by multiple users at the same time. And logically interrelated means there is meaningful relation among those tables or the data. Let us understand through an example. Here we have cricket database, which has two tables, player tables and team tables. Player tables have attributes ID, name, match, team ID, whereas team tables have attribute team ID and team name. And these are the values for those attributes. Similarly for the team tables. Also we have metadata which describe the above data here. It tells about table name, column name, domain, data type, constraints and other stuff. Let's see. We have here player metadata. In first column we have metadata item, in second column we have description of those data. So here we have table name, player, column names like ID, name, match, team ID and data type of those column or attributes, like here we have ID which is integer, name which is character, match integer, team ID integer. Also we have constraints, like here we have primary key which is ID, which means this ID cannot be null and it should be unique, which is defined in our metadata, like here null ID and name cannot be null metadata. Also we have other constraints, like here number of matches played by any player should always be greater than or equals to 0, which is defined in metadata. Similarly we have also team metadata. Now let's see relationship metadata, which describe the relation among those data. Like here player table is related to teams table. You can observe that team ID is common in both of the table, and here team ID act as foreign key and team ID in teams table act as reference key, which is again described in metadata. Also it shows the what kind of relationship among those data, like here one to many relation. So we can say that database is composed of two things, data and data of data, that is the information of the actual data. So this is our data and this is our metadata, which makes the complete database. Like here we have university database, which has tables like students, teachers, departments, subject. For simplicity, we have just taken these four. There can be more than these tables. Similarly, we have movie database, which has actors, directors, studios, ratings as tables. Social media database, which has users, comments, posts, and friends. Similarly, gym database, which has member, trainers, subscription, and workout as tables. Now let's see database management system. So what is database management system? It is the database along with a set of program to access this database, which means database is a software which helps in management of database information. And what does it mean by management? Management means the storage of data and the manipulation of those data. Storage means providing the underlying structure to store those data in our database, and manipulation means the mechanism to get those data or update those data, modify those data. Like some of these operations can be like write, read, update, delete, etc. And this should be efficient and convenient to the end users, because databases are usually complex and large. It is the duty of the database management system to provide as simple as to the end user, and also it should provide some security in case of system crash or unauthorized access, which means that there should be some kind of mechanism which save the state of database before the crash and after the crash. Also it should provide some kind of mechanism to stop the unauthorized access of those data. Since database management system is a software, so there are many software in the market, like some of these are MySQL, MongoDB, Oracle DB, and Microsoft SQL Server. So we can conclude here that database is all about data and metadata. Database management system, which is database along with program to access, modify, and manipulate those data, which is basically a software. So database is not same as the database management system. That is, database is not equal to database management system.